Okay, so after that fire alarm, I have something else to fix, and I want to take apart my headphone, and what we need is this itty bitty hex bit to undo a little screw in the headphone, because they're so tiny, and I can't find anything that would work for it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. Go to the tool store. I ride my bike there. So and we'll be back. So yeah. Okay, so with these tiny hex key sets, there's two different styles, one called metric and one called SAE. So I tried the metric one, that one did not work. So I'm gonna try this one, see what the results are. Okay, so what ended up happening was I tried these SAE hex, metric hex. Neither one worked. There's a third one. I returned them both, but there is a third one called security bit hex. And that's what this is. So the security bit hex is different from the other hexes because there's a little hole that is not showing. Says I have, and this set is a 100 pieces in it, as long as security hexes, for $10 for this Warrior. Pretty cheap, and maybe I will end up and I open it up and it's already in its case. So all you gotta do, it's closed. Warrior security bit hex. Okay, so what I'm talking about is these two, right? So this is the security bit hex and this is the normal hex. The one I need, I believe, has a little hole in it, and yeah, that's the difference. He said he wants the backpack, then take the backpack. You want the backpack? Sure. I grabbed the two smallest ones. I'm gonna cross our fingers crossed, that this will work. That didn't work. That didn't work. Okay, I'm back. Ran back to the store to get a different set. Precision tiny screwdrivers. So the thing wrong with this is that it keeps cutting in and out. And you need the world's smallest precision security hex screwdriver. Unfortunately, this one's even too small. So I got a very small set, and this one's even a size too small. Okay, so after some research, I was thinking that this 1/16 would maybe fit in there. It's really hard to tell by the eye, but 1/16 tampered proof is the smallest I could find. And then if it's metric or if it's SAE, I don't know. But it's got to be tempered proof 1/16 about. That's my guess. That's my best guess. So, yeah. Okay, so these headphones fell apart. We managed to get the screws out. I was trying to find this itty bitty little piece that would unscrew them, but I did not find them. So what ended up happening was that we just screwed them out, and yeah, we were able to open this, and this is what it looks like. As of right now, there was something wrong. But what is wrong, I cannot see anything with my eyes. Okay, so today we're gonna find out how far that target is. "45 yards. Okay. So we're even a little far. We're looking for about, I believe, 30 yards. This is 33. This is 30 yards. Okay, so we found 30 yards right here. This is 30 yards. Okay. And back here where I was shooting is 40 yards, which kind of makes sense given that it kind of shot low. I also shot way to the right, so I'm trying to become more accurate. Just recently we adjusted the bow to shoot, because it was shooting right, so we made it shoot a little bit to the left more. So I think the biggest thing with shooting is to get the gun on sight and accurate, and then a lot of times, you know, the coyotes will come in very close and they will you know, mess up the shot. So we're gonna try this. And these arrows are actually all metal. I like to shoot all metal, kind of my preference. They feel better than, and they're more expensive, but that's okay.